Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here just to look for areas of resistance. If it does bounce from like, let's say the 78%, make a nice engulfing down, then we definitely probably should get short. Now, today is FOMC interest rate, and that should be a pretty decent news event, and I will be live streaming for that news event today on YouTube. So definitely make sure to stop in so you can see your analysis on your favorite pair. But anyways, on the higher time frames, we really cannot deny that we are in an uptrend. And if you go up to the very, very high time frames, I am still very, very, very bullish on the euro dollar. I still think we're going up to at least a 1.26, 1.28 area before we make a very significant move down. So keeping that in mind, going down to the sort of time phase, we should be looking at any move we see to the downside as nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. I zoomed out a little bit more just because I do think this does look like a possible regular flat or maybe even a WXY because this does kind of look like three waves down. So it's either possibly a WXY because it looks like 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, or it's like a flat, which is 3, 3, 5. Definitely looks more like a WXY, but if it is a WXY ABC, it doesn't really matter. Same outcome. The outcome would be that we would now be in an uptrend again, and we would most likely go up and take out the previous highs. So I always lean towards the higher time frame. Yes, I do agree with anybody that says that it looks like we should possibly make a much bigger pullback, and we definitely could make a much larger pullback. But the trend is always your friend, and the trend is definitely, definitely still up. And odds are, more often than not, is that the prevailing higher time frame trend will continue. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.